You cannot sell only white shirts and blue jeans. You need something more to stand out. Today, the fashion industry's sales growth is driven by China and the US. In China, women's wear is the number one category for apparel sales. Women's wear accounts for 48% market share, followed by menswear, kidswear, and sportswear. So the market share is high compared to other categories, but the yearly growth is low. During my meeting with apparel brands, the same question is always coming back. What is the best angle now to enter the market? And is it too late? And the answer is, yes, you are late. But not if you take the right approach. For women's wear, 65% of consumers consider design as the most important criteria to motivate their purchase. In a country of 1.4 billion people, they want to be different and show their own personality. So you cannot sell only white shirts and blue jeans. You need something more to stand out. For this, you can diversify your offerings by focusing on trends and collaborations. For the current trends, you can investigate sportswear, outerwear, and athleisure. Or you can look into highly appreciated materials like cashmere, denim, and silk. For the collaboration, you can use 3 directions: with brands, with artists, or with IPs. You can have a co-branded collection with a Chinese brand, or collaborate on a limited edition with a Chinese artist, or launch a campaign with an IP as a brand ambassador. Everything is possible. The only motto is, be creative and be different. My name is Anaïs Beaumonville. I'm head of luxury division at GMA, and I help luxury and fashion brands to start, grow, and perform in China. If you want to have more information, or if you want to know if your brand is a good fit for China, you can contact us. See you soon.